some noise for my man pre-workout. Yo, you wanna teach me how to Millie rock? Like, every time I Millie rock, I slap my stomach. I be like, but we gonna get it right, I'ma work.
Brooklyn, what's up? Nah, we ain't in Brooklyn, man. I said Brooklyn, what's up? See, I'm from Brooklyn, man, but I travel a lot, and it ain't nothing like Brooklyn. So, you know, they say music was dead in Brooklyn. They said all this other stuff, you know. They say we kill each other, we don't care about each other. But look at Brooklyn, look at this. Isn't this wonderful? And I'm just honored that I got asked to be here, and I got a lot of friends that came out to support me, and I got a heavy movement that I'm going by. Like my man, my brother introduced me. It's called pre-workout. What I did, I combined the two worlds of you working out but having fun at the same time. But it's really for the youth and the kids, but it's other adults out there that y'all don't work out on the regular, but you can have fun, because we got the Tybo, we got the P90X. But what about the kids, right? The kids gotta work out too, because they say the kids are our future, right? So that's what I did, because I want to stay young forever. How many of y'all want to stay young forever? Yeah, I don't want my AARP card no time soon. I don't want that. No, I ain't signing for that. Yo, my man DJ Genius, give it up, my man DJ Genius. Yo, Genius, drop me some bombs, man. I need some energy. So listen, when I say pre, y'all say workout, pre. Workout. Pre. Workout. When I say pre, y'all say workout, pre. Workout. Pre. Workout. So we gonna work it out right now. We gonna start y'all off like this. How many dancers I got in the audience? I'm gonna see y'all here. Y'all, any dancers? I'm talking about all ages, dancers. From a baby to a baby. Know what that means? What a baby to a baby mean? Meaning when you born you're a baby, when you get old you're a baby because you wear diapers. Oh, y'all ain't catch that. A baby to, how many dancers I got? I see hands? Because I'm gonna need some help up here. Yo, Genius, give me something that's gonna make us lose some calories or something. Let's get it, Genius. Let's go. How many of y'all know this? Hey, can I need some help? Give me some help, y'all. Give me some help. Put me some help out. Put me some help. I need some help up here. Put me some help out. Put me some help. Hey, come on, let me see. Hey. What? Let me see it. Come on. Hey, turn around. Show the people y'all Millie rock. Show them. Come on, come on. Hey, what? That's it, Genius. Oh man, they warming up. I like that. Genius, what else you got? We gonna be burning calories today. What we doing? How many up? How y'all know this? Let's go. Hey, come on. Hey, come on. Hey, come on. Hey, come on. Hey, what you say? Hey, what you say? Come on. What you say? What? We warming up. Y'all liking that? We warming up? I know some people in the audience that want to work out with us too. Genius, what else you got for us, Genius?
Okay, show you how to hit the car.
Hey, what? Say, what you do? Turn it up, what? Hit the, what we do? Come on. Say get down low and say your arm. Oh man, we warming up. Y'all feeling good? Y'all feeling y'all muscles loosening up? Genius, what else you got for? You got something else for us, Genius? What else you got?
Don't need to do it in front of me. Now watch me.
Hey, come on.
Now watch me.
Hey.
Now watch me.
What? Watch me. Hey. Now watch me. Hey.
Watch me.
How many of y'all know the song? Let me see y'all. Watch me. What we do? Say. Watch me. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Watch me. Oh man, I'm feeling crazy. But you know what? It's a song I created. And I can't dance. I'm out of breath already. I need some water, but I don't drink Poland Spring. And I don't drink all that other stuff. Let me get my water. I need my aqua ball. Everywhere I go, I drink aqua balls. Y'all tell y'all stores, buy this. Disney, y'all tell the stores. Tell them to get their aqua ball in the stores because Disney is looking at pre-workout. I'm a black African-American man. Disney is looking at pre-workout. Do y'all hear what I'm saying? Disney. Tell y'all stores get Aqua Bowl. 0 calories, no sugar. It's a good drink too. Trust me, I never liked water, but this is good. This is real good. So we're gonna get into it. Y'all ready for that pre-workout? Y'all ready, kids? Y'all ready? I wanna hear y'all ready? Genius, what we gonna do? This that pre. Come on, come on. I need y'all all up. We working out today in Bed-Stuy. So I brought some friends, and they brought their friends. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. What we do? 1, 2, 3, 4. We really rock on any block, and we bustin' out in it. We really rock on any block, and we bustin' out in it. We dabbing, and we bustin' out in it. We dabbing, and we bustin' out in it. Slide, say cheese, slide, say cheese, slide, say cheese, slide, say cheese. We hit the corn on it. 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 Let's go. Wow. Y'all got that, Brooklyn? Y'all like that? That's the first time. Let me hear y'all say yeah. All right. We gonna try the second time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. We really rock on any block, and we bustin' out in it. We really rock on any block, and we bustin' out in it. We dabbing, and we bustin' out in it. We dabbing, and we bustin' out in it. Slide, say cheese, slide, say cheese, slide, say cheese, slide, say cheese. We hit the corn on it. 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 All right. Y'all working out. Sweat. We running calories. So now I'm let you do it. We gonna have a freestyle. So I want y'all to line up. Let's go. I need my kids line up and get it. Do your dance. And do your dance. Hey, do your dance. And do your dance. Go. 1, 2, 3. Do your dance. Let's go. Watch the baby. And 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 watch the baby. Hit the floor. Brooklyn, y'all like that? Y'all make me feel real good. We sweating out here. We burning calories. We in shape. So we gonna do that again. One more time, Brooklyn. This time. Give it your all. Who else gonna do this with? Spin about to sit and try. 1, 2, 3, let's go. We really rock on any block, and we bustin' out in it. We really rock on any block, and we bustin' out in it. We dabbing, and we bustin' out in it. We dabbing, and we bustin' out in it. Slide, say cheese, slide, say cheese, slide, say cheese, slide, say cheese. We hit the corn on it. 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 Brooklyn, I love y'all. Brooklyn, I love y'all. Y'all make me who I am. This is a dream come true. Just to spread positivity, because I come from a place where people don't make it every day, amen. And I'm a child of God first. So I give honor to God that we alive here. We see the youth right here. This is real. So I want y'all to go on YouTube right now. Type in pre-workout. It's pre-P-R-E-E-E, 3 E's. Workout regular. Tell your radio stations, tell your gyms, tell your board education schools, because you will see me in the school. In September, I'm going into schools, and I'm working out with the kids, charter, public school, all that. And we getting work, we getting shape back into the kids, because they need it. And I love y'all, Brooklyn. Stay strong.